going on YouTube? I got another notification while I was at work, and I have another Tesla update for you guys. Surprisingly, I didn't know that you can actually download updates while you're driving. I put on my personal hotspot. Here is the update downloading. Update version 2022.16.1.2. So upon completion on the update, it seems like it is just the same. Autopilot maximum speed increase to 85 versus 80. And the driver profiles, which is the same as the last update, which lets you log into your own specific Spotify account based off your driver profile. So you can have different Spotify accounts. And then the same navigation, energy prediction, where I don't feel like there's been a noticeable difference. I rarely use the Tesla navigation anyways. Most of the times I still use Google Maps because I find the Tesla one sometimes to be a little bit confusing. Sometimes I don't find the routes to be very efficient. Most of the time I get extra turns here and there, so I still prefer to use Google Maps to be most efficient. Alright, and that's it for the video, guys. That's it for the update. Now we are officially on 2022 16.1.2. That's it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I have some videos coming up soon, so I'll catch you then. Peace out.